In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Blink camera to Sync Module 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Sync Module 2, you can connect various different cameras and assign them to this specific module. To connect your Blink cameras, first set up the Sync module through the Blink app. So to start, open the Blink application on your phone, and from the home screen, tap the plus sign to add a new device. Once you choose this plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, you will find Sync module. Start with a Sync module if you have a wireless camera, so choose the option to set up the Sync module first. Now, the main way in which you add the Sync module is going to be by scanning a QR code. Usually, this will be at the back of your Sync module, so if you turn your Sync module over, you will find a QR code roughly here in the corner, and then all that you have to do is scan this QR code with the camera on your smartphone. You can also enter the serial code manually, or get instructions on how to find the QR code and serial number if you prefer. Now, once you have the QR code properly input or the serial code, you will get this message: blinking blue light and steady green light. Plug in your Sync module and wait for the lights to display. If the lights do not display blinking blue and steady green after 30 seconds, press and hold the reset button until you see a red light. So give it some time, see if the lights are acting the way they should. And if they are blinking exactly like this, just tap on the option Discover Device. Otherwise, select Help, it's not blinking blue, and you will get instructions on what to do to troubleshoot this. And now, with the Sync module connected, you can create a new system and assign it to the application where you will connect various different cameras. From the home screen, you will find your Sync module properly set up, and once again, you can tap the plus sign to assign new cameras to that Sync module. So now choose a wireless camera, for example, and you will be able to connect it with the same instructions and assign it to that Sync module system that you created. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.